In this demo, we are going to change already existing attributes of a measurement unit. We are dealing with a two-step process, meaning that we start as a requester who demands the change. As we are currently moving through the main menu, we can choose the unit of measure section. Because of the fact that we have over 200 units in our system, we can use the search function to find our unit more quickly. We can choose the processing we wish, and as I've mentioned, we'll use a two-step request. As we are shown the corresponding screen, we have to add a description for our request. This description facilitates the communication between involved users. For the planned accuracy improvement of the temperature unit, we can increase the number of digits shown, as well as the accuracy of the decimal rounding. After we've done that, we use the possibility to attach metadata to the unit information. This metadata allows other users to get a better insight, while the feature itself is available in all reference data objects. In our case, we are going to add an information file, as well as a Wikipedia link to it. As we've entered everything correctly, we can submit our request and pass it on to the data steward. The data steward's task is to keep the quality of the data as high as possible by reviewing it and then deciding whether the submitted request will be approved or rejected. He moves through the same menu as the requester, but is able to view ongoing change requests just as he's doing right now. Itego RDM makes reviewing changes as easy as possible by marking changed values in yellow. You can even see how the value has been changed. As everything in this request is correct, we can approve it. After approving it, the changed data is visible for every user in the Itego RDM, which we can see by navigating the same path as the requester did. We can again easily search for the unit and open it, and as you can see, the data we changed has already been activated, and we can check for our unit in the ERP system now. Moving on to the ERP user, we can view the payment term in the ERP system if it has been activated previously. The ERP system is one of the receiving systems to which the data is distributed. The activation of data in the ERP system is an easy process which involves a local staging area. The activation through the local staging area can be executed automatically. This ensures that every SAP system receives the same finalized data and therefore assures that your data is saved consistently. It can also be done in a manual process, which allows to keep the responsibility for leveraging the data within the receiving system.